97% of traders lose money in the markets and end up quitting before they ever make money because they miss this one simple step. Now, you've probably heard that you need to backtest your strategy, you need to put in the hours of trading, but really, when you're trading for 2 hours, just trading New York session every day, even though you're consistent, it's only that 2-hour window that you can really trade and look at the markets. But I found this backtesting strategy that helps you put in how many hours you want in the day and trade live like you're actually trading your strategy. Now, let's go into it. So there's 2 ways that you can backtest your strategy. You can go in like this and mark out everything on TradingView and just see if you would have won. And you can either pay for bar replay as well to get a bit better. But I found the tool that is going to 10x your trading profitability. So what you want to do is you want to open up a website called FX Replay. Now this is what it's going to look like once you sign in. I've already done 11 hours, as you can see, and it's a completely free tool. And now you go down here for your sessions. I named it for Gold Coast. This is just my motivation to get better at trading. And then what you want to do is you want to just, I already have the tab open, but you want to make the session, click on it, and this is what it's going to be like. So now that you have this open, you're going to mark out whatever trading strategy that you trade, and then what you can do is there's this thing here which you can use to move the candles, and you can change it to the 1 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute, whatever. And yeah, you basically just change it to your TradingView settings. You go over here, you can click on news up here, click this icon, put in the news, you know, US, GBP, boom, apply, changes. It's such a good app. There's no news this whole week or something for GBP. And then all you gotta do is just backtest your strategy. And this is how you can put countless hours into the market without needing it to be perfect conditions, or you know, if there's news one day and you can't trade, you can do this instead. You know, everyone's always talking about you've got to put in 8 hours of work into your business and everything, and trading, it's just that 2-hour session, trade London session, you know, 2 hours. But this is the tool for profitability. Alright, so let's just go into it. This is just how I backtest my strategy that I'm currently testing. So we'll mark out, this is New York session, this is Asia session, I'm trading London session. So usually I'd be able to trade until here, and yeah, it's just this small session that we can trade. But this is why most beginners fail, because no one is telling you how to backtest your strategy. This is how. So just mark out whatever Confluence is. So I'm trading a new TJL strategy. If you want to learn the strategy, go watch TJL's new video. Mark out New York highs, Asia low, and New York lows, which is already being swept, so we're not going to mark them out. And anyways, you know, we can speed it up, put on 2x speed, and then you basically just backtest your strategy, bro. It is that simple. And this has been increasing my win rate like crazy. So, and then we can go on here, we can go on the other pairs, like so, mark out the highs, the lows, and yeah, basically just we wait for a sweep of liquidity. That's the strategy. But yeah, and then we wait for a break of structure. Boom, got a break of structure on GJ. And it is a bit late into session right now, and odd JPY has not swept liquidity. Anyways, yeah, we could have entered short right here, but it's not looking too good, to be honest. Let's just speed it up a little bit, see what happens. Yep, so it would have got stopped out there. And then, yeah, you can legit just learn your trading strategy. So if I entered here, I shouldn't have, because it was a bit choppy price action. We were chopping around a little bit, and then it was also a bit later into session, and then odd JPY didn't get a sweep of liquidity also. So you can legit be learning lessons here every day, and then what you got to do, get to the next session, right? Move the drawings, go here, you mark out whenever it is the time you trade, that's London session, boom. And it's just like real price action, so you can really analyze it. And this is the tool that is currently making me profitable, currently making me learn way more about trading. And yeah, whenever I have free time, I just be grinding, back testing. It is such a good strategy. I'm telling you guys, this is how you back test. This is how you spend time in the markets. All the profitable traders, you'll hear them say strategy is just 10%, or strategy is like the easiest part of trading, and then it's basically time in the markets. This is the cheat code that you have to use, because this is literally time in the markets instead of either paying for bar replay. This is way easier, completely free. I beg you guys, use this if you want to get better at trading. Anyways, this is going to wrap it up for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned something. Go use this tool if you want to 10x your win rate. I'm telling you boys, you got to use this. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and have a good rest of your day. Peace.